Hello guys, today I will show you how to make 3D photo manipulation floating island in Canva. Let's get started. First go to Elements and search for the frame cloud. Choose and add it, and keep its size equal. Go to Elements, choose a stone, and add it. Keep its size equal to the frame cloud. Go to Uploads. I have an image downloaded, so I will add it. Then, click on Edit Image, go to Effects, and click on BG Remove. This will remove the background of the image. Next, you need to drag the image and add it to the frame. And you need to drag the second image and add it to the first image frame by pressing R button. And you need to go to Position, then move the first image down below the third image. This will place the image in the background. And you need to keep two images equal so that they remain balanced. Then, crop the second image to match the size of the first one. And go to Elements, add the sky to the background, then left-click on it, and click on Set Image as Background. Next, go to Elements, search for Clouds, choose one, make sure both clouds are the same size, and add it to the right side. Toward the bottom, duplicate it and add the duplicate to the left side. Then, go to Elements, choose a bird, and you need to make the size of the bird smaller, and add it to the left side. Duplicate it, and add the duplicate to the right side. Then, go to Color, choose White, and apply the white color to the birds. That's our image. How do you like it? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel on YouTube and click the bell icon.